Planning the perfect getaway starts with the right gear. Best luggage for a cruise ensures durability, easy maneuverability, and smart organization so you can focus on fun, not packing stress. Travel light, travel smart, and sail with confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Long Vacation Cruise Luggage. The Long Vacation Cruise Luggage set stands out as a top-tier choice for travelers seeking durability, versatility, and style in one complete package. Constructed with a high-quality PC plus ABS composite material, these suitcases combine lightweight practicality with exceptional strength, ensuring that even under rough handling at airports, the shape remains intact and the exterior resists scratches and scuffs. Designed for smooth mobility, the 360-degree spinner wheels glide effortlessly across cobblestones, carpeted surfaces, and even slopes, withstanding rigorous testing, including a 15-kilogram load over 20 kilometers. Maneuvering through crowded terminals becomes effortless thanks to these silent and highly responsive wheels. Travelers of all heights will appreciate the multi-level adjustable telescopic handle, which operates with a single button, remaining stable and comfortable during extended use. Additionally, the dual handles on the top and side of the luggage make lifting into overhead compartments or vehicle trunks straightforward and strain-free. Security is another strong point of the Long Vacation set, with YKK zippers designed to resist punctures from sharp objects, backed by a TSA-approved lock that allows seamless airport inspections without compromising safety. The set offers a variety of sizes, from large 28-inch to compact 16-inch carry-ons, a duffel bag, and a toiletry bag, catering to family trips or solo travel while also providing aesthetic flexibility with vibrant or retro colors. Extra functionality comes with the duffel bag and travel backpack, both equipped with trolley sleeves for attachment to the telescopic handle, ensuring hands-free portability. The travel backpack's padded laptop compartment protects electronic devices, and the duffel bag adds storage convenience for additional items. Overall, this luggage set merges resilience, organization, and mobility, making it an ideal companion for long vacations, business trips, or family travel. Number 2. SwissGear Sion Cruise Luggage. SwissGear Sion Cruise Luggage is a perfect companion for travelers who value practicality, organization, and reliability on longer trips. Designed as a soft-sided, expandable checked bag, this luggage combines ample storage space with ergonomic features to navigate crowded airports or tight spaces effortlessly. Constructed from durable, scuff-resistant polyester, the Sion luggage withstands the rigors of frequent travel while maintaining a professional and polished appearance. The interior is fully lined and thoughtfully organized, with adjustable tie-down straps to secure garments and prevent wrinkling, ensuring that clothes remain neat even during long journeys. Maneuverability is a standout feature, as the 4 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels allow smooth and precise movement in any direction. Top, side, and bottom handles are strategically placed for easy lifting and carrying, making it simpler to transfer luggage between vehicles, conveyor belts, or overhead compartments. One of the key advantages of the SwissGear Sion set is its longevity, backed by a 10-year warranty covering defects in materials and workmanship. This guarantee reflects the confidence in its durable construction and ensures peace of mind for travelers. Its expandable design accommodates additional belongings, making it ideal for those who need flexibility in packing. Number 3. SHOWKOO Cruise Luggage. SHOWKOO Cruise Luggage offers a high-quality, durable, and feature-packed solution for travelers who need both style and performance. Constructed with extra-thick PC plus ABS hardshell material, the luggage is lightweight yet highly impact-resistant, maintaining its sleek appearance even after extensive use. The textured finish prevents scratches, keeping the cases looking new throughout multiple trips. Available in 20-inch, 24-inch, and 28-inch sizes, the luggage is optimized for carry-on or checked travel, with expandable compartments on the 24-inch and 28-inch models to provide an extra 20% packing space, accommodating everything from clothes to travel essentials. Mobility is seamless thanks to the silent, smooth, multi-directional spinner wheels, equipped with soft TPU and lubricating balls for effortless 360-degree rotation. These wheels passed rigorous drop and walking tests, capable of handling 15-kilogram loads over 40 kilometers, making them perfect for long-term travels or business trips. The ergonomic 3-step aluminum telescopic handle, combined with reinforced top and side handles, allows comfortable lifting and maneuvering in tight spaces while preventing hardshell cracking. For added security, the side-mounted TSA lock permits inspection by airport authorities without damaging the bag, and zippers resist piercing from sharp objects, protecting personal items. Number 4. Samsonite Freeform Cruise Luggage. Samsonite Freeform Cruise Luggage offers travelers a dependable, compact, and stylish solution for cabin-approved carry-on travel. With a textured, scratch-resistant exterior, this 23-inch hardshell suitcase provides both durability and aesthetic appeal, ensuring that it withstands the rigors of airport handling. The interior is intelligently organized with elastic straps, a divider, and a pouch, keeping items neatly arranged and reducing the risk of damage during transit. Its lightweight construction, weighing only 6.5 pounds, combined with 4 oversized multi-directional spinner wheels, ensures effortless maneuverability through crowded terminals, narrow aisles, and busy streets. The telescopic handle extends smoothly to accommodate different heights, making lifting and pulling comfortable for travelers of all sizes. Security is addressed with a built-in TSA-approved lock, allowing airport personnel to inspect luggage without compromising contents, while providing peace of mind for personal belongings. Samsonite backs the Freeform series with a 10-year warranty, reflecting rigorous testing and a commitment to long-lasting quality. Ideal for short trips, weekend getaways, or business travel, this carry-on balances portability, protection, and convenience. Its compact size ensures compliance with airline cabin restrictions, while the durable hardshell exterior shields contents from potential impact. Number 5. Coolife Cruise Luggage. Coolife Cruise Luggage provides an affordable yet durable solution for travelers seeking a complete luggage set without compromising quality. The set includes 3 pieces, 20-inch, 24-inch, and 28-inch upright suitcases that nest inside each other for convenient storage, making it ideal for families or individuals with varying travel needs. Crafted from 100% ABS material, these suitcases are lightweight yet exceptionally resilient, providing protection for packed belongings even under rough handling. The smooth, silent 360-degree spinner wheels ensure effortless maneuverability across airport floors, sidewalks, and uneven surfaces, while the ergonomic telescopic handles adjust to different heights for comfortable pulling. Security is enhanced with TSA-approved locks, allowing travel inspections without risking damage, ensuring peace of mind for personal items. Internally, the luggage is thoughtfully designed, with full-capacity squared compartments, elastic straps, and mesh zip pockets to keep clothes and accessories neatly organized and easily accessible. The luggage's structured yet lightweight design allows travelers to maximize packing space while remaining within airline weight restrictions. Whether for family vacations, business trips, or weekend getaways, Coolife Cruise Luggage delivers a practical, reliable, and stylish travel experience.